I'm rolling on the edge little by little. Hi Barbie dolls! I'm just a Barbie lover in my childhood. Thanks so much for my video. Today I'm doing pink food cooking! Yay! I know some of you have been waiting forever, right? I know. And today I'm doing something Japanese food. Have you heard of Tamagoyaki? So Tamagoyaki is like plain cooked eggs. Have you seen any cute lunch box? We call bento box. We put tiny cute food. They don't just look good and organized, but they taste yummy. Yeah, so Tamagoyaki is one of the most popular and common food from bento box. I love Tamagoyaki. Every family has like different recipes and I do with my own way. Some people put more sugar, some people don't put much sugar. Today, of course, I'm making pink no tamagoyaki. Yeah, so I'm gonna make tamagoyaki in the pink. So please enjoy watching. Let's start. Okay, let's start from pink bowl. And I need eggs. First of all, I recommend to use the one with dark yolks. The Japanese egg yolks look a little darker than American one, like a regular American one. Yeah, so I always get this dark yolks one from Trader Joe's. Oh my god, I broke it. From the second one, let me just put the egg white part. Oh, I need more egg white. Only egg white. Not enough. Let me put one more. I think that's good. So to make the color pink, let me start with beet powder first. And if it didn't look pink enough, I might need to add food color. But you know, I always try to put food color as less as possible. So yeah, first of all, let me try with beet powder only. And don't put the powder into the egg yet, but mix with hot water first. Let's see how the color goes. Is it too dark, maybe? It looks too purple. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna add food color, but just one tiny drop to make it a little bit brighter. Just one. It's optional. You don't have to if you don't want to put food color. Okay, I put this. It's like powdered soup stock. It's made of soup stock, but it's powdered. Kind of like Japanese seasonings, you know. And we put a little soy sauce. I put a little sugar. A pinch of salt. Let me taste a little bit. I'm adding a little more sugar. Now it's good. Okay, now the egg is ready. Barbie pink pan. Turn off the stove low to medium heat. When the pan is warm enough, some oil. I spread with paper towel. And now here it's egg. Pour the egg into pan slowly. And don't put everything, just a little bit. And spread the egg like this. I know, it looks like thin crepe. And wait. And now, from edge. Perfect, pretty pink. I'm rolling on the edge, little by little. You know what? I'm usually better, but today I'm filming, so it's hard. The camera is bothering me. Don't let it burn. Low like this, little by little. Yay! Now put it on the edge like this. And now we put the second round. But again, just a little bit. Oh. Maybe a little bit more. So move the pan evenly like this. And now I'm rolling again. It cannot be like round. It has to be more like square, like a rectangle shape. So I'm trying to make it like rectangle. And do not break. Okay, see, now it's getting thicker. Now do the same thing again. Bring this egg to the front side and pour the egg again. I know when you're feeling lazy, you just want to pour everything all together, but don't do it. Little by little. Rolling thinner layer over and over makes the tamagoyaki looks better and tastes better. Don't put too much egg at the time. Oop. Oh, it got a little bit burned. I press like this. Now it's getting more rectangle shape. Just try not to break it. Whew, it looks so fluffy. I think I've been doing good. Don't break it. Hello?
Hi, Azusa.
Oh my gosh, so when I was cooking this, I got a phone call. I totally forgot that I was having a phone meeting. Oh my gosh, which is crazy. So yeah, so I had phone meeting with making tamagoyaki. Oh, it got burned a little bit. Oh no. But I'm pretty sure the inside should be fine. So let's see. Yeah, it looks pink enough, I guess. Like, look like this. Isn't it beautiful? Yay! Try to cut in the same size because when they are same size, they look better when you put on plate. Yeah, it's pretty. I think it's good. Let's put on a plate. Ta-da! Looks really good. It smells really, really good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna eat it. To be really honest, I could totally make them better. If my camera was not bothering me and if I didn't get a phone call, I could totally make them better. But still, they look good. It looks really yummy. せーの、いただきます。Oh, and I already put salt, sugar, soy sauce, and seasoning inside, so you don't need to put any sauce or anything. I mean, you could, but I like a natural egg flavor, so I don't put anything. いただきます。美味しい。やっぱ日本食最高。Oh my gosh, you know what? It's so good. That's too good. Yummy. Yeah, in a person, it totally looks pink. I can finish them in a minute. 美味しい。マジで美味しい。I think if I put 2 more drops of food color, it will look perfect. マジでめっちゃ美味しいよこれ。卵焼き美味しい。Isn't it beautiful? Not just yummy. I don't know how many pink food recipe I will do this year, but I'm thinking to introduce more Japanese food in pink. I mean, that's kind of weird if you didn't know the original one, but if I just introduce the pink one. But that's what I would do. Or I want to try something super easy, like something you could just cook with, microwave, so it might be easier for you to try at your home. Anyway, I'm gonna just enjoy, yeah, just play it by ear. I will still do pink food cooking sometime, don't worry. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have pink-tastic Barbie day.